So I just purchased my bicycle seat here for my exercise machine. Now, of course, this bicycle seat is good for a bicycle or exercise machine. This is the one that originally came with it, and for me, it wasn't just very comfortable, so I decided to go ahead and get this one. It is nice and wide. We've got nice thick cushion here, so it makes it feel definitely more comfortable. And of course, you can see here, I like the white, the black, the stripes. Oh, it looks pretty cool. And the stitching looks very good too. And since this is for a bicycle, it does have a reflector here on the back and really nice springs to go ahead and just hold your weight and just make it a little bit more comfortable. So this is definitely a good replacement if you want something that's a little bit upgrade to your original that goes on, whether like it's a machine like this or a bicycle. Of course, easy to install just like anyone. You're just going to put on the rod that comes from your bike or your machine, tighten it down, and you're ready to go. Hope you found this helpful.